Hey everyone, welcome back to No Garage Garage. Today we're going to tackle a little job, just going to be a short video, and what it's going to be is on my wife's, she calls it Tigger. Yeah, she made that. 2013 Ford Edge that's having an issue with dark skies, making it so I can't see. That happens a lot. I need to get a little light. Hey, why didn't I think of that? Anyway, she has an issue with it's got rain sensing wipers on it, and they seem to sense rain when there's not a cloud in the sky. Typically the issue with that is the windshield wiper switch. So that is what we're going to deal with. I bought a new one right here. So this is a replacement switch, which I need to make sure is the same as this one. It looks right. It's supposed to be a rain sensing switch, so I guess we'll find out. Anyway, take my glasses off, get you down in here. Never figured myself to remember, I am not a tutorial at all. I do not teach you guys that this is a 10mm. Or that this one over here is also a 10mm. Or that when you pull this out, well, I guess I don't need that. Just let that hang there. There's 3 clips. One there, one there, one there. I'm not teaching you guys none of that. Flip that down, and then in here, in each of these, you have a 7mm bolt. You gotta flip this down to get to the third one. And I forgot my 7mm. Be right back. Hey, I got my tool. It's right here. So let's see. Oh no, stay! Don't fall. Why? Why must you fall? Stay there. This back one here is way up in there. Oh, come on. Oh. Apparently I'm not getting it out. Let's see. See, never use me for a tutorial. Come on, really? Moving the seat back. She'll have to figure that out. That one out. This one out. Okay. Now, what we have to do is get our trim tool in here and try to not break things like I've been doing for the last couple weeks. There we go. Alright, now put your key in your ignition. Apparently, oh, I select this key. Wrong key. turn your wheel and turn it back off. And now what you have is in here, you have a screw there and a screw down there, which should take, look, me with more Temu tools, because why not? It's supposed to be a T15. And yes, this is a very nice set of Torx bits there. I've run into too many times where they were never long enough with a socketed end. Here we go. I say here we go, and then we turn off the camera. Yeah, that's how it works. So you take your tool and you undo. Can you see? Yeah, kind of. Uh-oh, not T15. Let's see. That doesn't feel like a T15. Let's try this. That's better. Okay. The internet was wrong, people. Never listen to them. They were absolutely wrong. T10 fits better. So, get it in here. Remove that screw. And don't lose it. Remove that screw. And don't lose it. And supposedly this just unplugs. Take the new one. And plug it in somehow. There we go. Plug that in. And then do reverse to put it all back together. Where'd my other screw go? Oh, there it is. I hate little screws. Did I ever mention I hate little screws? There's that. And snap that all back together. Make it look pretty. And we get our 7mm. Move you guys down here. Good. Get our 7mm. Start putting all this back together. We're going to do this one by hand because it's so far up there. Get in the hole. And this is why we're doing it by hand. There we go. No? Okay. Why you know? Where is it? can't find the hole. Now I can't find the screw. Really? Where'd it go? I really lost the screw. Or did it go underneath? Of course you did. Let go. Let go. I'm bound determined to break something. Alright. Oh, let me use this for a flashlight. I don't know why I'm not finding that hole. It didn't tell us how hard this part of it was. It's right there. So it's got to go this way. Okay. Come on now, I found you. It's right there. And this is why I didn't use my power tool. See, I can see the hole up through here. Let me get that out of the way. Up through here, the hole is right there. I mean, it's just barely got to move. But for some odd reason, I can't seem to get it in there. I'll be right back. Okay, now, admittedly, I spent way too much time on that. What I ended up having to do was, well, let me change my tools around so I can put the other ones back in. I took the other two back out so I could move, so I had more maneuverability. See, the internet doesn't tell you this stuff. They just say, oh, just do it. That's all they say. They say it's all you got to do. Just do it. Everybody's back in there. So, what I had to do, put that up, and then you can see right in here where that's got to go. You can see the hole and everything, and stick the screw up. It took me a couple of minutes to figure it out when I wasn't trying to concentrate on you guys. So it really wasn't. Sorry about that. Anyway, holy cow. Let's let's just finish this job. Get it over with. And that would be by doing this. Job done. Alright. Put the keys back up here. And that's it. That job's done. I didn't break anything, surprisingly. And for some reason, whew, I am sweating. By the way, I told you she calls this car Tigger, right? Weird. Don't forget, merch. Merch.ng-g.com. We also have merch for the 65 Mustang. Project 65. Proceeds from that will help fund getting that car on the road. It's not a restoration. It's a roadsteration. With that, you guys have a good one. Again, this one was just super short. Hope you enjoyed. Again, not a tutorial. Don't do as I do. I break things. It's been 3 weeks since I've had a successful fix. Bye.